Welcome back, guys. I hope you did not forget about us. We've still been hard at work over here completing the last final stages of the lodge while also working on our slope improvements. Let's go behind the scenes.
And then I cheer on mid station on the double. We'll do a short tire halfway out, and I can do one tighten, and I can cover that whole trail right there with one.
Okay.
Timberwolf area, both sides, and the howling. And I went ahead and put them in for the old original viewfinder.
Yes.
Along with the viewfinder trail that's there now.
Gotcha.
So they'll be splitting both ways right there.
Great. So you're thinking 100 more guns would replace everything on that side?
And the breakaway side too.
Oh, both sides. Great. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, because see with
that's your ridge runner then?
Yep.
And that's down the slope to breakaway, tighten.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yep.
So I figure let's hit breakaway, and then we'll, on our way back up, we'll stop at the lodge slab and see.
Okay.
So that's your 240,
Mm-hmm.
and that's your 3-phase.
Yep.
And we need this one on for the lift, or is this just for snowmaking?
Both.
It is for both.
Yep. With the new wiring going in, we'll be able to run all the guns on the slopes at once and open the whole entire slope at one time. That'll be one of the main big improvements that we're making this year. Some of our additional slopes, like Flame Out and the old Southern Express, didn't have any water or power on those since we went away from, our water guns. Now we're putting power and bigger water lines on those this year to hopefully get those open once again and back on the trail map. As far as our lift upgrades go, once again, we're going to work on the 2 backside lifts. We're getting those assessed and seeing what it's going to take to get them up and running for this season. And for some of the other lift upgrades, I'm going to keep it quiet for right now. I'll kind of leave it a little bit of a secret, and you'll be really surprised.
Okay, good. I think that's that.
Good deal. Anything else from me for right now?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
All right.
Good deal.
Sounds good.
Anything else from you, Mr. Videographer?
I love the sound of that.